Filing your corporation tax return with HMRC. Corporation tax is a direct tax which UK businesses have to pay on their profits. This is normally filed to HMRC annually to report their earnings and losses, etc. This information is used to calculate their corporation tax. The amount of corporation tax that you pay depends on the amount of profit you make in that year. See the table below for the different tax rates. The deadline for submitting your tax return is 12 months after the end of the accounting period it covers. There is another deadline for your corporation tax bill, and it is normally 9 months and 1 day after the accounting period. For example, your year end is the 31st of December 2020. You must submit your tax return before the 31st of December 2021. Fine for 1 day after the deadline is £100. Fine for 3 months after the deadline is an additional £100. Fine for 6 months after the deadline is a penalty of 10% unpaid tax, which is estimated by HMRC. Fine for 12 months after the deadline is an additional 10% of any unpaid tax. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest tax updates.